This bass line I'm about to show you is going to take you way to the top. I did a part 1 of this lesson. If you haven't watched that video, after watching this breakdown, go and watch that video, okay? You see the link in the comment section or in the description, or you can start the video again and click on this link to watch that video, okay? So this is the second part of this video, and this bass line is so awesome. I am so sad to tell you that I can't post the groove here because the song is having a copyright issue, okay? So you have to go to my second channel, go and watch the video. That is the groove. I just want you to understand what you have to learn in this breakdown. So guys, I want you to grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. And the progression of this song goes like this. Come and see your 4, da da da, 6, 5, da da da, your 4 again, da da da, your 1 and your 5. Okay, so it's very simple. You can meet this kind of progression in any simple worship song. Okay, what matters is the bass line, what you're going to insert into that song. Okay, maybe how to insert your fills, your groove, and all those kind of such things. Okay, so in this video I'll be teaching you the way I was able to play the bass line, the way I was able to run my timing and everything. Okay, so you should try and watch the video so that you don't miss anything. So at the first start, da, 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 da. Okay, so that is your 4 4 4 4. Now to your 6. Okay, so that is 2 3 6 6 2 3 6 6. You understand? So when I played my 6, I did a fill to my 4 back again. Okay, so this is how I count it. To my 4. Okay, so I did something like this. 2 3 6 6 6. Okay, then I apply the fills. Okay, 2 3 6 6 6. Then I played my 6 7. Okay, so 6 7 7 1. You can also do this to your 1 progression. Maybe you are going from your 6 to 1. So okay, so 6 6 6. Okay, so 7 1. Then you play your octave, then back to your root. 1 2 3 1 4 4. Okay, come and see, come and see. You see how easy it is. Okay, on my 4 here I did something like this. Okay, so this is from your 4 to your 6, but I'm still on my 4. Okay, so it's like I'm playing 4 4 4 4 3 3. Okay, so I don't want to like remain on the 4 alone, so I had to bring in this, then back to my 3. Okay, so 4 4 4 4. Then you play your 6 6, your 1, then you come back to your 3. Okay, okay, so I'm using just the root and the octave. Okay, then I was just sliding on. So then pulling back off. Okay, so I hope you got that. Then I played a fill over here. This is very tough, and I'll try and break it down, but it might take some time for you to understand it. Okay, so you should just keep on practicing it. Okay, when I came back to my 3 and octave, then from my 4 here, so that is 4 3 2 1 7 6. Then you play your 5, then your 3, then I slide all the way to my 6, sorry, my 5. Okay, 5, back to my 4 again. So 5 3 2 1 7 6. Then you play your 5 4 sharp and your 4 4. So I did something like this: 4 1 4. You can just remain on your 4 4. Okay, but I wanted to make the bass heavier, so from my 4 back to my 1. So that is where I played the run. Okay, so from my 4 again, 4, my 6, then I'll be starting the run from my 2. Okay, so 6 7 6 5 4 3 2. You understand? So the run goes like this. So 2 2 3 4, 2 2 3 4. Then you play your 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3. Okay. So the timing, okay. You understand? Come and see. Bam 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 bam. You understand? Okay, so you should make sure that you hit the note very well. Okay, you might find it difficult, but just try. So remember that from your starting you play 2 times. Okay, 2 2 3 4. Okay, so I did a fill over there. Okay, you should learn this. So when you do the run, okay, so 2 3 2 1 6 5 3 1. Then you play 6 7 6 5 3 2 1 5. Then you continue. Okay, so dun dun. Then you want to go to your 5 again. That is your 4. That is 5 6 7 1 4 4. You understand? So to take a lot, okay, but just take time and understand it. Okay, so the last one is come and see your 6. Okay, so 1 1 6 6 7 5. Okay, so 7 5 2 1 7 6 5 4 4 4 4. Okay, so now to your 6, your 5 4. You can use that. Your 1 5. You understand? Okay, guys, I think this is the few lines I'll be giving to you. The rest of the fills and everything I played is for my private students. Okay, so if you're interested and you want to learn more, just DM me on private lesson, then I'll teach you more and more of this kind of groove. Okay, so guys, I'll be seeing you next time in the next video. Bye for now.